Sometimes you have to leave, not for ego, but for self respect. The only person I have ever lost and needed back was myself. What brings us to tears will lead us to grace. Our pain is never wasted. Never let your feelings get too deep. People can change anytime. I am sad because I don't have anyone to share my life with. You can cry 1,000 times, but I won't erase those memories. The word happy would lose its meaning if it were not balanced by sadness. Everybody wants to destroy misery, but everybody goes on desiring. And by desiring, one goes on creating more and more misery. The roast kind of pain is when your heart cry and your eyes dry. Sadness is also a kind of defense. I act like I don't care, but deep inside it hurts. I think the roast feeling in the world is to be forgotten by the one you could never forget. Behind every strong person, there is a story that gave them no choice. Trifles makes the sum of life. The hottest love has the coldest end. I gave you my heart. I just did not expect to get it back in pieces. People cry not because they are weak, it's because they have been strong for too long. It's never the tear that measures the pain. Sometimes it's the smile we fake. I got hurt, really hurt. And sometimes when that happens, something inside me shuts off. One thing you can't hide is when you are crippled inside. Sometimes it's the smallest decision that can change your life forever.